Scene dimulai dengan kabar berita dari berbagai belahan dunia.
Right now, over to Tom Beckett.
JTL Morning News.
Good morning.
This is
Confirmed in virus changes in a way that allows
Today, another group of dolphins is trying to determine the cause of branded
CO2 emissions.
Similar cases recently. People by WHO guidelines for governments will be. The agency is not likely to recommend.
Jauh dari hiruk pikuknya keramaian kota, kita akan diperkenalkan dengan mantan anggota penyelidik FBI yang bernama Jerry, istrinya yang bernama Karin, dan kedua putrinya Rachel dan Connie. Di tengah-tengah kemacetan lalu lintas kota Philadelphia, Karin menyadari untuk pertama kalinya dalam 5 menit ada 3 helikopter melintas di atasnya. Dan Jerry mendengar berita maraknya wabah rabies di mana-mana. Tiba-tiba lampu mobil Jerry ditabrak oleh kendaraan polisi. Jerry yang ingin melihat keadaan di luar dikagetkan dengan ledakan di sebuah gedung. Karena ada polisi yang akan melintas, Jerry masuk ke dalam mobil. Polisi itu terlihat marah karena jalannya terhalang oleh Jerry. Tetapi tiba-tiba dari belakang polisi itu dihantam oleh mobil sampah.
It's our way out of here.
right now. Snuggle with Subway Sam, okay? Rachel, baby, you got Rachel right now. Jerry?
Karena kekacauan akibat wabah rabies, saat di tikungan, mobil Jerry dihantam oleh mobil ambulans.
You okay?
Rachel, sweetheart.
You okay? It's okay.
Dengan terpaksa, Jerry dan keluarganya keluar dari mobil. Dari jauh, Jerry melihat orang yang terinfeksi menjadi zombie buas dan memiliki tendensi untuk menggigit orang yang belum terinfeksi. Korban tergigit akan berubah menjadi zombie dalam waktu 12 detik. Keluarga Jerry berhasil kabur dari kota. Di tengah perjalanan, karena penyakit asma Rachel kambuh, Jerry bertukar posisi dengan Karin. Di saat itu juga, mantan atasan Jerry yang bernama Terry menelpon bahwa dia membutuhkan Jerry untuk menyelidiki virus rabies itu. Dengan waktu yang ditentukan, Terry akan menjemput Jerry. Jerry pun melanjutkan perjalanan mencari obat untuk penyakit asma Rachel. Setelah menemukan supermarket, Jerry berhasil mendapatkan obat itu, walaupun ada sedikit kekacauan di sana.
What do you need? Viagra. And this shit too is magic from. Honey! Karen!
Help me, that's all I have. Here.
Di luar supermarket, ternyata mobil Jerry telah dicuri. Dengan terpaksa, Jerry menghubungi Terry untuk memindahkan tempat penjemputan di alamat yang ditentukan. Karin menambahkan bahwa dia membawa suar untuk menandai lokasi. Tetapi Terry mengatakan kalau penjemputan dilakukan saat pagi hari. Jerry pun melanjutkan perjalanan menuju titik penjemputan. Di sana, Jerry dikagetkan dengan sebuah ledakan dan zombie yang terjatuh dari atap. Tak lama kemudian, beberapa zombie mulai mengejar Jerry. Connie yang terlepas dari pengawasan menemukan keluarga yang selamat. Diketahui namanya Tommy, tinggal bersama orang tuanya. Lewat radio, pemerintah menganjurkan agar menyetok bahan makanan untuk 1 atau 2 minggu. Di situ Jerry mengajak keluarga Tommy untuk pergi bersama, tetapi mereka menolaknya dengan alasan lebih aman di dalam rumah. Ketika Jerry menuju atap, suara kegaduhan membuat zombie mengejarnya. Di situ, Jerry hampir saja menjadi mangsa. Untung saja Tommy menyelamatkannya. Tetapi Jerry terkena darah zombie. Jerry yang takut dirinya tertular menjauh dari istri dan anak-anaknya untuk memastikan kalau dirinya baik-baik saja. Di situ Karin melempar suar untuk menandai penjemputan. Karena zombie berdatangan, Jerry berusaha menahan pintu sambil menunggu helikopter mendarat. Akhirnya, mereka pun selamat dan dibawa ke kapal induk. Di situ Jerry bertemu Terry dan memberikan kamar untuk tempat tinggal sementara keluarga Jerry.
Bunk bed 6. Please make yourself at home. It's really hard.
That's good. You're in our old apartment on 72nd.
Not me, I'm worried about it. No.
Terry menjelaskan jika presiden telah mati. Staf gabungan juga menghilang, dan di seluruh dunia juga mengalami kekacauan yang serupa karena wabah rabies. Namanya Dr. Fasbeck, ahli virus dari Harvard. Dia menjelaskan,
about 5% of what the hell is it?
It has to be viral. There is no to be find its origin. Any virus once
Flu.
It didn't exist flu.
Spanish.
1920, it killed 3.
All read the same email I did.
Terry juga menambahkan,
Currently considered northern Minnesota to be
No transportation, no bullets, nutrition, dirty water. To all corners of the globe. Zombie was in a memo from camp. We haven't had contact with them since, but this could lead up. Then we'd have a chance of developing a vaccine.
Karena Jerry adalah penyelidik terbaik, sang komandan menugaskan Jerry untuk membantu Dr. Fasbeck mencari informasi tentang virus itu. Awalnya Jerry menolak karena dia harus melindungi keluarganya. Tetapi sang komandan memberi sedikit peringatan kalau orang-orang yang tidak bisa membantu di kapal ini akan diturunkan. Dengan terpaksa, Jerry menyanggupinya. Setelah berpamitan dengan istri dan anak-anaknya, Jerry pun berangkat ke Korea Selatan. Di situ, Jerry memberi instruksi.
Look, we don't know what we're walking into, so we do what they say. Okay, they move, we move. They stop, we stop. If things were to get crazy, just focus on their boots, focus on their voices, and we'll be all right. These guys are hammers, and to hammers, everything looks like nails.
I heard that.
You were meant to. So you see something that's important, you call it out. We'll make it happen.
Okay.
Think we're gonna find anything?
Yeah, we're gonna find something. Mother Nature is a serial killer. No one's better, more creative.
Like all serial killers, she can't help the urge to want to get caught. But what good are all those brilliant crimes if no one takes the credit? So she leaves crumbs. Now the hard part, while you spend a decade in school, is seeing the crumbs for the clues they are. Sometimes the thing you thought was the most brutal aspect of the virus turns out to be the chink in its armor. And she loves disguising her weaknesses as strengths. She's a bitch.
Di dalam kapal, orang-orang yang tidak penting dipindahkan.
The evacuation has been done. The captain.
Naval Station North should be directed. Personnel, all non-essential deck for reload need to report to the flight landing zone. Third, clear of the beam. Relocate groups team. I say again, all non-essential need to report to the flight deck.
Setelah mendarat di Korea, tiba-tiba Jerry diserang oleh para zombie. Celakanya, Fastback terbunuh oleh senjata sendiri karena terpleset.
Okay.
He slipped. What happened to him?
I'm good.
Di situ Jerry menjelaskan jika yang terbunuh itu adalah ahli virus dan Jerry mendapat beberapa informasi di situ.
Good. The guy just shot himself. A doctor, a virologist.
What are you talking about?
He was supposed to be our best hope.
Well, he's not our best hope anymore.
Hey, that guy volunteered to come here. He didn't have to, you know. None of them did. Trying to figure out what the hell this thing is.
Well, shit happens.
The doctor would have strongly agreed with that.
How do we go about refueling? When I say so, and very carefully.
The noise. Are they drawn to it?
Yeah. Sound draws them. Body shots only seem to slow them down. Headshots do the trick, but just to be safe, we tend to burn them when we can.
You fought in Zeke yet?
Yeah.
Where?
Philly, Newark.
Bad.
What about Houston? St. Louis?
Baltimore.
Atlanta?
Detroit?
Guys, I'll be honest with you. I don't know of any place back home that's doing very well.
If the other guy was a virologist, what do you do?
There was a memo sent from this installation 11 days ago. It had the word zombie in it. Do you know anything about it?
Yeah. It was an email, not a memo. Pretty obvious nobody back home bothered to read it.
Now, there's 15, 16 guys in this room. Most of them guards, but all of them were bitten. Trying to get this man handcuffed to the cot.
Now, our colonel said he was the first one.
This colonel, is he around?
Oh, yeah, he's right here.
The guy is shackled. Do you know who bit him, what bit him?
He was the base doctor. He just returned from the field. Been sent out to verify the death of a soldier who had just gone AWOL the week before. Some villagers had found this guy foaming at the mouth, oozing some kind of black tar. Then he tried to bite one of them. They shot him, tied him up, threw him in a barn. That's all we know, except the doctor comes back here and begins attacking his patients.
Soldier. Do you know where he came from?
No.
Anyone he might have come in contact with?
No. There's gotta be records. You're welcome to take a look if you want.
And the origin could have come from anywhere.
It's a shame you had to fly all the way out here to figure that out.
How did you all escape this?
The expenditure of ammunition.
Is that how you tweaked your leg?
Nah, shit's been bugging me a while.
Prick. Stands right in the mix. While 7 or 8 of them turn Zeke all at the same time. They got no time for old dirty bastard here. Biting everything like fat kids love Twix.
Once I saw Bitten, turned to 12 seconds.
Got this me, son, my God!
Who's that?
Waste no time with that freak.
He's CIA. Got caught selling guns to North Korea.
Davidson. He turned in 10 minutes. That doesn't sound viral to me at all.
You're with the CIA?
But they're not with me. And who are you?
UN.
Oh my God. Captain, put on the world music. The day is saved.
Why'd you sell guns to the North?
Why not?
Are they surviving this?
Indeed they are.
Using your guns?
Guns are half measures.
How then?
They took away Zeke's exponential power. They pulled the teeth of all 23 million in less than 24 hours. Greatest feat of social engineering in history. It's brilliant. No teeth, no bite, no great spread.
Bullshit.
More books, fewer receptions, Boutros, Boutros. Now, why do you have to burn them to ashes to get them to finally stop? Why do they move like a plague? Why is Israel winning?
How's Israel winning?
They sealed off their entire country days before the undead attacked man. First to know, first to act.
People have been building walls there for 2 millennia.
Right, yeah, but finish all those thousands of years of work a week ago. Impeccable timing is all. You want answers? Jürgen Wurmbrand. That's the man in Jerusalem you want to see.
Karena mendapat informasi dari agen CIA yang membelot, Jerry memutuskan untuk pergi ke Israel. Tapi saat akan mencari bahan bakar, Karin menelpon sehingga suara deringnya merespon para zombie.
Dead. Phones.
Gotta get out of here. Let's move.
Go, go, go! I'm gonna clear a path through. Come on, boys. I need a headshot. Ground.
You kidding me? I'm a goddamn Zeke.
I got you, Captain. Just say I got this one.
Got enough! New line!
Alright, I have instrument, but only on single prop.
Pull the light.
Where?
The right knob. Set up how heading.
Akhirnya, Jerry berhasil melarikan diri. Di dalam pesawat, akhirnya Jerry bisa menghubungi Karin dan memberitahu kalau Korea tidak ada hasilnya. Sekarang menuju ke Israel. Karena ada ledakan, komunikasi pun terputus. Setelah pendaratan, Jerry diantar oleh seorang prajurit wanita bernama Segen untuk menemui atasannya yang bernama Jürgen Warmer. Di situ, Jürgen menjelaskan.
How did Israel know?
We intercepted a communique from an Indian general saying they were fighting the Rakshasa. Translation, zombies. Technically, undead.
Jürgen Wurmbrand, high-ranking official in the Mossad, described as sober, efficient, not terribly imaginative. And yet, you build a wall because you read a communique that mentions the word zombie?
Well, when put like that, I'd be skeptical as well. In the 30s, Jews refused to believe they could be sent to concentration camps. In 72, we refused to fathom we'd be massacred in the Olympics. In the month before October 1973, we saw Arab troop movements, and we unanimously agreed they didn't pose a threat. Well, a month later, the Arab attack almost drove us into the sea. So we decided to make a change.
Change?
The 10th man. If 9 of us look at the same information and arrive at the exact same conclusion, it's the duty of the 10th man to disagree. No matter how improbable it may seem, the 10th man has to start digging with the assumption that the other 9 are wrong.
And you were that 10th man?
Precisely. Since everyone assumed that this talk of zombies was cover for something else, I began my investigation on the assumption that when they said zombies, they meant zombies.
It's patient zero from India.
That's the problem. There's so many potential sources in play that no one knows where it began. The organ trade in Germany, strange examples of violent behavior across the Asian peninsulas. Meanwhile, the zombie plague keeps spreading, and we do what we can. These are the Jerusalem Salvation Gates. 2 of 10 portals to the security perimeter into fortified Israel.
You're letting people in.
Every human being we save is one less zombie to fight.
If I could get into India, where would I start? Who would I speak with?
India is a black hole. Forget about patient zero.
I can't do that. It's too late for me to build a wall.
Karena suara kebisingan, para zombie berhasil naik menerobos pertahanan.
תקריבי חיים בשביל להוציא אותו חי!
Towards the airport.
Karena terkena gigitan di tangannya, dengan cepat Jerry memotong tangan Second untuk mencegah virus menjalar ke seluruh tubuh.
We gotta move. You're not gonna turn. Gotta move.
Tower, reach.
Akhirnya, Jerry dan Second berhasil menaiki pesawat. Untuk mencegah infeksi, Jerry mengganti perban Second. Di situ, Jerry mengingat satu persatu kejadian yang digunakan sebagai petunjuk dan akhirnya menyadari sesuatu, sehingga Jerry menelpon Karin dan diserahkan kepada Terry. Jerry meminta Terry untuk memberitahu pilot agar membawa Jerry ke fasilitas riset medis terdekat. Akhirnya, pilot memberitahu para penumpang jika pesawat menuju bandara Carnivals. Di dalam pesawat, saat pramugari akan membuka toilet, dia diserang oleh zombie yang menimbulkan kegaduhan di bagian depan. Jerry yang mendengar suara itu mencoba menenangkan para penumpang dan membuat pertahanan dari koper. Karena suara dari koper yang terjatuh, zombie itu mulai menyerang penumpang yang ada di belakang. Walaupun Jerry berhasil selamat, tetapi bagian perutnya tertusuk oleh besi. Regan yang juga masih hidup membawa Jerry ke tempat fasilitas WHO untuk diobati. Di dalam kapal, Terry menginformasikan kepada Karin pesawat yang ditumpangi Jerry menghilang, sedangkan Karin rencananya akan dipindahkan ke pulau yang aman. Setelah sadar, Jerry mengetahui kalau keluarganya dipindahkan ke Pulau Nova. Di situ, Jerry menjelaskan tujuan kedatangannya ke fasilitas WHO.
Why did you come here? What do you need from us? Your worst disease. Deadly pathogen.
He wants a what?
Deadly mortality rate. High
You'd
mortality.
want a bacteria rather than a virus.
Scarlet fever, meningitis. What's this for? Excuse me, for?
Mr. Lane believes we can use such a disease against the undead.
Well, it would give you points for originality, Mr. Lane, if we hadn't already tried that first thing. One of the many things a virus or bacteria needs to thrive is a live host.
Functioning circulatory system.
I'm afraid it boils down to one simple fact.
Can't make a dead person sick.
It's not for them. It's for us. I believe these things have a weakness. And that weakness is weakness. Our weakness. I have witnessed them literally bypass people. Walk right around them like a river around a rock. Why? I think because those people were sick. I think they were terminal. And these things could sense it. I think they're spreading a pathogen, and they need a healthy host.
But even if you're right, I mean, infecting the populace with a lethal illness is not exactly a cure.
It's not a cure. It's camouflage.
There's a natural precedent. Hungry predators would avoid diseased bodies. Equipped with the right pathogen, our troops would be essentially invisible to the enemy. You understand the only way to prove this theory of yours is for some idiot to infect themselves with a lethal pathogen and then meet with her face to face.
Yes.
Do we have what we need to try it?
We have all we could want. Typhus, H1N1, SARS. Problem is, they're all stored in B-Wing.
What's the matter with B-Wing?
Dr. Spellman, our chief vaccinologist. Within hours of the outbreak, he'd been sent blood samples to try and isolate the pathogenic cause. This is B-Wing now.
Tetapi, jalan menuju fasilitas B terhalang oleh zombie. Setelah memakai perlengkapan, mereka pun berangkat.
Open it. They're not alone. That's what Javi said. We cannot. Come on. Open it.
5696.
Setelah sampai fasilitas B, Jerry mengumpulkan semua jenis virus karena dia tidak tahu virus apa yang harus digunakannya. Saat akan kembali, Jerry dihadang oleh zombie. Dengan terpaksa, Jerry menyuntikkan salah satu virus itu dan menulis pesan untuk keluarganya. Setelah beberapa saat, Jerry berhadapan dengan salah satu zombie untuk mencoba apakah virus itu berhasil membuat kamuflase. Ternyata virus itu bekerja dan Jerry berjalan seperti zombie tidak melihatnya.
Just walk one. Faster. Like there was nobody.
Dengan penemuan itu, pemerintah dengan cepat mengirimkannya ke berbagai tempat dan pemusnahan zombie di berbagai negara mulai dilakukan. Sedangkan Jerry kembali ke keluarganya. Film pun selesai. Terima kasih Mas Bro, Mbak Bro yang telah berkunjung ke channel ini. Jangan lupa like dan subscribe. Sampai jumpa di alur film cerita selanjutnya. Terima kasih.